Huh?
Darts.
Next time I'm going to wake up you.
Wake you up. Wake you up.
Wake you up.
Okay, enough. Bring yung tinapay. There, Tito. Wait, but this week, better white one. We eat like 4. Then because we have for lunch only veggies.
Ano just a
Only what? Vegetables. But
Bakit
yeah,
ginaganon
fish.
mo na, no?
We can eat fish, but with
Tito,
vegetables. I'll make the room, okay?
What did
So
you say?
you're now boom. I'm the
Where?
teaching chef.
Inside.
You want to be chef now?
And then? Everyone? Hello.
Here, Tito.
Then what else?
No, yung good cook, hindi ito. Gamit ito. Yung good cook, and forks. Look. Look. To put this there, say, how do you do it? Hindi difficult. Fork na. Kung really difficult,
Then no, because
move it around also.
then it went to me.
Easier work than using that back. Yung something that. Beauty.
Magaling ka.
Salamat, beauty.
Wala nga yung box eh.
So, you know now, every morning you have to go out. You have to sigaw.
Sigaw.
Good morning, Philippines. Also, if they're sleeping in ABS, we wake them up. Okay?
Bukas.
Ano gamot dito?
Init lang yan.
Sugat lang naman, di ba?
Init lang yan ng araw.
Breakfast, sino? The first. Babae. Babae first.
Bababoy.
Oh.
Dapat
si Tita Minda una eh.
vitamin na.
Okay na.
Forjan.
Porgasol.
Tinapay.
Porgasol. Okay. Dahil sa kapin ko.
Meron, may pakbulit ako. May ulit ah. Pawis lang.
Magaling.
Wala eh.
Iba ang pinggaro.
Pero kung kahit, mas maganda ako pag sobrang sakit.
Ito nga. Supposed to be wet, ha?